Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how we can install two WhatsApp messengers with two different phone numbers without installing any application from the Play Store of your phone. So if you just want to know about this trick, follow my video instruction. Let me show you how we can do this. First step, you don't have to open the Play Store of your Android device. Instead of that, open the setting of your phone. Scroll all the way down and find out the advanced features. Once you got that, tap to open it. Scroll all the way down and you have to find out the dual messenger. Tap to open, then you have to find out the WhatsApp from this list, which is over here on the top. Tap on install, tap on confirm, and you can see it's now turning on the dual messenger. So once it has been turned on, you can use separate contact list. So let's go ahead to enable this one and you go exit from here. So when we're back here, we will have the second WhatsApp messenger too, and we can create our second account. Let me drop both of them in a folder and you can see we have two WhatsApp messengers, and I'm going to create my second WhatsApp account with different phone number here on my second WhatsApp messenger. I'm going to use this option to go click on next and time to dial my phone number. Once I just dial and activate it, I'm going to click to continue, click on allow again, skip, and you're going to type the name of your WhatsApp account. Then you can see here we have our second WhatsApp ready to use, and this is all about how we can install two WhatsApp messenger with two different phone number without install any application from the Play Store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.